Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm showing how to use WhatsApp on PC or laptop. So you know that you can use web WhatsApp on browsers like Chrome or Internet Edge or anything, but there is an application that WhatsApp released right now for Windows. It's for download for Windows. It's available for Mac as well. To download this one, just go to the whatsapp.com/download and click on download. It will take you directly to the Windows Store. Otherwise, what you can do, you can directly go to the Windows Store and search for the WhatsApp and open the Microsoft Store, and it will take you directly to the WhatsApp. No need to browse for, and click on get. It will take a couple of minutes to open. I just made the video faster. Click on open and click on get started. So you will be able to see one QR code. You need to scan this QR code on your mobile. Let's see how we can do this on mobile. So for that we need to click on the open the WhatsApp, click on the three dots and go to the settings, and link device option is there. Click on link device and just scan the QR code which is appearing on the application. So that's it. When you scan from your mobile, if it's successful, you will see the active devices. You can see the Windows is active right now, and when you go back to the application, you will see that it's downloading the recent messages and all the chats will be appearing at that particular time. So hope you understood the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.